My name's Flynn Flinderson.
And this is Henry Henderson.
And this is our ride.
Hey bitches, it's Dilly Dally.
Hello, this is 4 Guys, 1 Camera.
And this is our 1969 Plymouth Mercedes.
How's it going? Heard bitches love racing stripes, so we threw one on.
Absolute banger.
Now we just got a little.
Fucking send it. Oh my God. Already stuck.
Oh, fuck!
Oh, there's a piece of plastic down there. Damn.
Go up that one, it's not as steep.
I need a better run at it.
Go up this one!
Okay.
You're going up the wrong one anyways, look.
Fucking decent.
Your seat fell over.
Bro, we need a full send. Here it comes.
Johnny Bravo! Fuck! How did we get that one? No shit.
All this jewelry, they gon' lose me. Birds in the church singing like Jonesy. I took a bitch cause of my courtesy. Been doing show, pick up my currency. Versace slippers, color burgundy. Focus in the emergency. Run, city, sipping the tea, nigga the heat, nigga they looking for me.
Wait, Jailer, do you want to drive? Jailer, do you want to?
Oh my God.
Jailer, do you want to drive? Jailer, come drive, bro.
What?
Come drive.
Why?
Cause.
Gang, gang!
Come on,
Gang, gang!
Come on, Henry.
Yeah!
Come drive the bitch. Yeah.
Where are we going?
I'll direct you.
Alright.
Alright, you're good. Oh my God.
Go, Dilly.
Oh my God, dude. Legit almost fell off the fucking van, bro. Billy.
Hi.
Keep going. Oh my God.
Okay, it's cold. I'm going home.
Henry, what the fuck?
What up, Henry?
Fucking beautiful day though.
I did.
some diamond. Ready to etch some diamond?
Oh, bro, whole new look at the racing stripe.
Bro, hold the fuck on. Oh, wait.
Left.
Hey Henry, take it kind of slow. I'm gonna hop back in. If I can make it.
Oh, dude, dirt bike.
Dirt bike! Dirt bike!
Fucking rip it. Hey, sir, can I hop in real quick? Yeah, bro.
I make
Yeah!
I'm a boss, take a loss. Introduce you to the plug. Bitches ain't no Henny in my cup. Stay down.
Try not to break the oil pan.
Oh,
Oh, the door!
I'm a G, ain't no stopping me. Am I ready?
Fucking door.
We're gonna have to turn the child lock on.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, go.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna like kick it with my foot.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, fucking the door.
What the fuck?
Gently.
All right,
What
yeah,
the fuck?
Push that. See that lock right there?
Yeah.
Yeah. So like when it's in, push lock when it's in.
We might have to. We're just gonna have to just.
We're just gonna have to mob it.
Or you can just
Fucking duct tape.
look
that
how much
shit.
gas is still in. Is barely in this.
Oh shit! Are we losing gas? Like, do we have a hole in the gas tank?
We might. We should have brought a fire extinguisher.
We're good, dude.
Yeah, that was almost at half tank, bro.
Like, literally not even a mile.
It could be that we're
It's
like
probably
on
because we're going
hills
up and down hills though.
Yeah. Well, the floats in them are. The float is probably like filling up with gas.
The float's probably like, what the fuck are you guys doing out there, bro?
Is this the gnarly one?
Yeah. So take it far left and cut right, like halfway up.
Get your left tire up beside that rock,
Oh,
and then go
shit.
slow.
Go, go, go.
There's no way.
No. What the fuck? Oh, yeah, the door.
Keep going.
Keep going. Keep going, dude. We did it.
Oh, I can smell something.
Rubber. Go look at the rock. Go look at the rock. We did a burn ski.
we just did a burn ski, dude.
Shit.
Front wheel drive Nash.
How do you feel about this, Slade?
I think it's dope.
Dude,
How about you, Dilly?
it's gonna be the best fucking van ever. So much to come with this bitch.
Dude, it took it all pretty well, too.
Dude, it took it way well.
This thing's a bad bitch.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, shit.
Oh, damn, rev that shit.
Yeah, rev it.
Ooh,
Come on, let's go, boys.
some exhaust mods up and coming. All right, we are currently stuck.
All right, go.
Oh, God. Look at this view.
Oh God.
I'm pretty sure the transmission's gone.
Nuh-uh.
Because it won't fucking drive.
Because it won't fucking drive. Why are we not getting in?
Yeah.
Stop! Golden. We are straight flexing.
Monster truck gang.
One side's tucked, one side is pure monster truck.
Imagine if the whole thing was like that.
That'd be rad ass.
Let's just slam this bitch.
I just come out of the car.
What's up? This is 4 Guys 1 Camera, and we're here to fuck shit up.
We live in a small town in a basin in the middle of the Rockies.
There ain't shit to do, but we're gonna make the best of it.
Come along with us.